salamin.
Pare, aligaga at may dadating na bisita.
Hindi naman siguradong dadating.
Nasa nga, blur kasi ng
Kaya lang,
blur,
baka
ang
kasi-
ilaw dito, diba?
Baka kasi umakyat, nakakahiya. This is from our friend Umeko. Oh my, it's so many. Oh, look at this. What is this? Oh, what is this? Wow. Oh, look. It's from Umeko. Okay, this. And then. Oh, look. It's from Expo.
Yes.
Oh, so cute.
Myaku, it's Myaku.
Oh, cute.
It's
So
for
cute.
its character.
Yeah. The Expo character.
Ah,
Thank
Myaku.
you. It's so cute.
Myaku.
Do you know Myaku?
And here, ow! I need this. Really? Yeah, because
she is old. She is old.
Yeah, I'm old. I'm old, very old. I need this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Too.
Oh, so cute. The keychain.
Myaku too.
Yeah.
Kitchen, yes.
So cute. Oh, I have a lot of stuff from Japan. Oh, cute. Oh. Look, put it on your bag or key or anything. And then, another one. Look at this. It's so cute. Yeah. You want? It's so cute.
Yeah, I want this.
Oh, you want this? Okay.
Thank you.
There's a lot of stuff here. Oh my god. What is this?
It's Japanese cellophane.
What is this?
Made in Japan.
Oh,
It's
really?
Android.
Soap.
No. I don't know. Can I open
Wala siya.
this? Because I'm afraid it will fall. Oh, so
What?
what? You gave me a cell phone? Oh my god, it's
Oh
too
my
much.
Why?
It's too
Why?
much. Thank you so much. Look at this. She gave me a cell phone. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Look. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Mommy has a new cell phone. It's from Japan, right? Yeah.
You need it on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. And then,
Can we trade?
can we know later? Okay. Wow.
Okay, that's...
She knows what I always
Give me that.
get when I'm
This is
when
mine.
I'm on travel.
This is mine.
What I want.
Oh, you know that I collect like this. Thank you. Thank you so much. You bring a lot of stuff. Oh my god. And this one, what is this? Wow. Yeah. Let's open.
It's too much.
It's too much. You gave too much. Oh my god. I have a t-shirt. Look. Osaka. Yeah. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's put it here. And then, oh, another. There's another one.
Ma-unboxing instantly.
Yeah. It's another. It's too much. Wow. Oh, it's too much. Oh
Wow.
my god. Why you bring this all?
One piece.
Yeah, I know, but it's too
Yeah.
much.
One piece, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's too much. You gave too much. Oh my god. I'm so... Look, baby. Oh.
Wow. Exactly.
Wow. Just size.
Just right size.
Oh my god. This is... I thought it's you. Oh.
For you.
Yeah. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. I love it.
I hope you like it.
Yeah. I'm sure I will wear this.
Okay.
It's very beautiful. I love this one. Look.
Wow.
Okay. Can we continue unboxing? Or maybe... Oh, it's a lot of stuff here. Maybe
Maybe later.
maybe
Okay.
later we'll I don't know.
From
Maybe
Takeda.
later.
Yeah. This is from Takeda
From
Sensei.
Takeda, yes.
Oh my god.
Wait.
So many.
That's so many, and
So
I'm so
many.
embarrassed
Oh my
that you
God.
bring us so many stuff. I don't know what to say. Thank you. From Takeda Sensei. Takeda Sensei, thank you so much for your gift. I love it. Look, it's very useful. Oh, and this one. Wow.
Cable.
Cable. I use this. I will use this definitely. Okay. And this one is, what is this? Can I open
Do
it?
you know Doraemon?
Doraemon.
Ah, Doraemon.
Doraemon,
Yeah.
Oh,
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Let's open. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, what is this? Wow, it's so cute.
Sharpa, maybe?
What is this? Is this the scarf or what is? What's the use of this? Scarf or? Oh, thank you so much, Sakeda, my friend. And this is the same, I think. Yeah. Only the design is different, but I think it's the same. But I will open it so that we can see the design. It's all beautiful. Look. Oh.
Doraemon too.
Doraemon.
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Yeah. Yeah, it's Doraemon.
Doraemon.
And then there's another one. Let's see.
Mine is Voltes 5.
Oh, look at this. It's still Doraemon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so many. Thank you so much. And of course, the most important, this is electric fan. So
Yeah.
that we
Useful.
useful. Thank you so much. We have 2 electric fans. Thank you. Thank you, Sensei. Thank you so much. You're so kind. You're so generous. Thank you. Next. Even that is from Takeda. So many stuff. Oh my God. This one. I will open this one first. What is this? Oh my God. It's so special. Look.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh my. Look,
Eh?
look. Oh.
What is that?
You can put
Wow.
anything.
Yeah.
Makeup, anything you want to. I can put anything. Oh, there's also so cute. Wow,
Beautiful.
so beautiful. We went to
Omega
Sky
Sky.
Building, and then we went
Museum.
to museum. It's beautiful. And then let's see. There's another one. There's another one.
Oh, little.
Oh, it's. But we are not able to took the video because they said we can't. So we took only the photo.
What?
Oh, this is another. Can I open this?
Is that where you go?
Let's see. Oh yes. Oh. Wow. Oh,
What is that?
I think it's a treat, a food, a
Ah,
chips.
chips.
Wow.
Yummy. Yummy.
Wow.
That's it?
No? This is this
Potato chip?
potato
Yes,
chip?
this is a specialty of Hakata.
Really? Yeah. Look at this.
Okay.
Oh, so this is a sweet one. Oh, thank you so much. And this one.
They're so sweet.
Oh.
Also kamote, but
Yes.
just like
we
a French fries.
We call it in the Philippines kamote. Yeah, because we have also in the Philippines kamote, but we don't have this kind of stuff. I mean, how on how do they prepare this? No, because in the Philippines we only boiled it
And eat it.
and eat. But this is special. This is from Takeda Sensei. Thank you so much. We will put it inside. Okay. And the last one is from Popo. Popo. Okay. It's very special. They pack it so beautiful. I said I tell to them that I will give money for the parcel for
Pop.
no per Takeda Sensei, but they don't want to accept it.
入れてはったやん。
Wow. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. It's so beautiful. All your gift is beautiful. Oh, look. Also this.
So,
Oh, it's so cute. Thank
That
you,
is for
Popo. Oh, it's a set, I think.
すごいセットなんだね。
It's a set.
set of what?
It's a set of this kitchen stuff.
そう
Oh, this is. Oh, look at this.
Oh.
A set, yeah.
Yeah, I thought it's a set. Yeah, it's very useful. Popo-san, thank you so much. Later, because I'm so excited to open the other one. Let's open the other one. Let's open this. Oh. How can I will open it. There's okay. Inside. How can I open this? Okay. Wow.
It's cute.
It's
Yeah.
so cute. It's so cute. Look.
Japanese だね。
Huh? Thank you so much, Popo. And this is from Popo, right? It's from Popo again. You have lots of gift. I have no words. I can't say. Oh, what is this? One other one. Let's open it.
Oh.
What's this? Oh my
Oh.
God!
Wow.
Wow!
Oh my God. Blair.
Look at this. Is this like a manga?
なんかペンターリュー。
Because what's this?
Abanico.
Oh, wow!
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. And look, it's in the box. We can display it in our.
ありがとうって書いてる。
Oh, thank you so much, Popo, for your
We're-
beautiful gift.
We're-
Okay.
ありがとう。ありがとう。
Ah,
This is
thank you.
written.
Thank
It's
you
meant
so
arigato.
Ah, thank you,
okay.
thank you. I see.
Wow. Wow. I will put it here so that nobody can touch this. Because if I will put somewhere, maybe my son will use it. No, I will display it. And no, Tatay wants pen. Ciao Carissima, kagagaling lang dito ni na Umeko and family at grabe. As in, sobrang nahiya talaga ako. As in, sobrang dami ng gift na dala nila. Although, hindi lang si Umeko and family, may padala rin si Takeda Sensei at saka si Popo-san. Pero grabe, as in, super dami nung gift nila sa akin. Nahiya naman ako bigla. Kasi yung dala ko is hindi naman sa wala akong dala. May dala rin naman ako sa kanila. Pero syempre, nung nakita ko na yung gift nila is grabe. As in, ang masasabi ko na lang is talagang sobrang gaganda. Thank you so much, Umeko and family, for all the gift you have given to me. Thank you, Takeda Sensei, for the gift also. It's all beautiful. Even the gift of Umeko-san, it's all beautiful and I love it. Look at this. I wear it. Umeko-san, I wear it already. And then Popo-san, thank you so much. I love the what do you call that? The spoon and the I don't know what do you call that? The soup. I don't know what do you call that that stuff. But I know that we can use it in the kitchen while what do you call that?
For the soup.
Yeah, but the other one is the spoon, and then
Ano sa Tagalog? Sige, sabihin mo. Ito yung nakakat.
sandok.
The dog son.
Wait!